Why should you use Smart Objects in Photoshop? Here are my top reasons. Number 1. Smart Objects can preserve the original resolution of an image. Let's say I want to drag and drop this image with a smartphone into this document. The phone has its own layer and all I want to do is to make it smaller. The problem is, when I scale it down and then decide to scale it back, the resolution of the image is really bad, so the solution is to convert the layer into a smart object before resizing it. Now I can scale it up or down without affecting the quality of the image. Number 2. Smart objects also allow non-destructive effects. For instance, if I apply a Gaussian blur to a simple layer and I realize that the effect is too exaggerated, I can only go back using the undo command and then reapply the blur effect. If I convert the layer to a smart object first and then I apply the same Gaussian blur, the effect is added under the layer, and if I double-click it, I can modify the values whenever I want, click OK, and the blur is updated. This also applies for the camera raw filter as well. I can change the contrast, brightness, or any other slider, click OK, and then come back whenever I want to readjust the sliders just by double-clicking on the Smart Objects effect. Number 3. Smart objects can be easily edited and transformed. For example, I can replace this screen so easily. I import the second image into this document, convert it to a smart object, and resize it. Holding Ctrl, I can reposition each of the corners to fine-tune the correct perspective. If I want, I can double-click the Smart Objects thumbnail, add some text and colors, press Ctrl S to save the changes, and when I come back to this image, you can see that the laptop screen was updated too. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll love another one from the screen. I'm Chris, thanks a lot for watching, see you in the next one.